The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Good morning, everybody. Very important Thursday morning video. We have a strong threat of spin-up tornadoes across much of the state today. We'll outline that threat for you. Already as I make this, a tornado watch in effect for many counties, especially from Montgomery and Covington and Crenshaw County on westward until 1 o'clock this afternoon. There will be tornado warning sirens blaring in many cities today. This is why your weather app, our weather app, will be very important because it will alert you when there's a watch or warning for your area. You'll even get an audio cue as well. So let's outline the threat. There's also a flash flooding threat and some very heavy rain out there right now. Let's get into it.
Here's the tornado watch I was talking about, which covers several counties from, let's say, Montgomery and Andalusia all the way westward till 1 o'clock this afternoon. I think there'll be additional watches later. There'll be several tornado warnings, I think, during the daytime hours today. Spin-up tornado risk will be strong through much of the state, and I think especially later on this afternoon through the western counties where you see that slight risk of severe weather. You see what I'm talking about, the yellow area there? But all of us, any one of us, is fair game for a spin-up tornado and a warning later on. This is typical with a landfalling tropical system, which is Cindy. And by the way, speaking of landfall, it just made landfall within the last couple of hours between, right around the Louisiana-Texas border. It's moving on northward. So Cindy is the culprit, and there's where it will be at 1 o'clock this afternoon as it moves northward with all the moisture funneling into Alabama. And it looks like we will be fair game for the tornado threat today. And you can see how the moisture continues to spin in. There has been flooding already in south and southwest Alabama, and additional rainfall today will only aggravate the situation, so several flash flood warnings expected as well. Rain and thunderstorms today, some spin-up tornado warnings. High temperatures will be in the low to mid-80s. Tonight's low to mid-70s. Southeast winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour today. I think tomorrow, with the storm system, the remnants of Cindy near Memphis or west of Memphis, the risk of severe thunderstorms and tornadoes will continue across mainly the northern counties of the state. I think the tornado risk will be strongest in north and northwest Alabama in the slight risk area, but even a few perhaps lingering in central Alabama tomorrow. So we'll be very weather aware again, and your weather app will keep you up to date. Additional rainfall on top of what we've already had, several inches. 3 to 5 inches or more across west and southwest Alabama. Even in central Alabama, a couple of more inches are likely before this is all over with. Saturday, there'll still be some showers and thunderstorms around. A decent chance, I think maybe about a 50-50 chance at least on Saturday, but I think the storms will start to thin out Sunday. We get into a more of a widely scattered situation on Sunday and Monday, and I think I'll take the rain chances down a little bit as we get into the additional new forecast that'll be coming out. Tuesday looks like a nice day and maybe no rain and lots of sunshine. Boy, that will be great. So we'll have to adjust the rain chances. I've got them lower tomorrow, and I think that's good. Then I have to boost them up a little bit on Saturday. Then we'll take the Sunday and Monday rain chances down, and then rain is out of the forecast finally on Tuesday. So what happens with temperatures? Well, I think we are near 90 tomorrow perhaps, and then upper 80s over the weekend, and then probably some nicer air coming in early next week with temperatures in the mid-80s and some drier air, which will be a nice thing to talk about. Our weather app is going to be very important to you today. Make sure you have it. It will have watches and warnings coming on the screen for you, plus an audio cue and latest radar and future radar. Tell your friends about it as well, and make sure everybody stays weather aware.
So feel free to share this video so that everybody gets the idea of what's going on today. We'll be multitasking today. I'll be live on the radio this morning. I will be putting out posts for you. I will be live streaming when we can for tornado warnings as well. So stay weather aware and make sure you got that app on your phone. And if you have it and maybe your friends don't, make sure you pass the word that they can get the free weather app by going to searching Rich Thomas Weather in the App Store, okay? Have a great day today, and I'll keep you on top of the weather. We'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.